How to log into TD Bank. Let's get started. You can log into a TD account using the app as well as you can use the web version. For this video, I'm going to use the web version. Just launch your preferred browser and then type in TD Bank login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.td.com. You'll be directed to the official website. Now here at the top right, you'll find the option of login. Click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of online banking. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your TD account. First up, type in your username. Then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, you can click on login. Just with that, you'll be logged into your account. In the case you haven't signed up for online banking, click on this option and register for it. Well, this way you can easily log into TD Bank. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.